What criteria does a court use for minor emancipation? Have you ever wondered what it takes for a minor to gain independence from their parents? The process of emancipation is not as simple as just wanting it. Courts have specific criteria they consider when deciding whether to grant emancipation to a minor. Let's break down these important factors. First, the age requirement is crucial. Generally, a minor must be at least 14 years old to petition for emancipation. This age ensures that the minor has reached a level of maturity that is necessary for taking on adult responsibilities. Next, the living situation plays a significant role. A minor must be living separate and apart from their parents or legal guardians. This separation needs to be with the consent of the parents or guardians. This means they are aware of the minor's independent living arrangement and are not opposing it. Financial independence is another key factor. The minor must be able to manage their own financial affairs and have a lawful source of income. This means they should be able to support themselves without relying on parental support. Additionally, their income must not come from illegal activities. Maturity and decision-making capacity are also evaluated. The minor must show that they can handle adult responsibilities, including making legal, financial, and personal decisions. The court will assess whether emancipation is in the minor's best interest, considering their ability to manage their own affairs responsibly. The best interest of the minor is the court's primary focus. Even if the minor meets the above criteria, the court has the discretion to deny emancipation if it believes that it would not be beneficial for the minor's welfare. There are additional grounds for emancipation as well. For instance, emancipation can occur automatically if the minor enters into a valid marriage or domestic partnership with parental consent, or if the minor is on active duty in the armed forces. To start the process, the minor must file a petition with the family court. This petition needs to include specific information about their age, living situation, financial status, and reasons for seeking emancipation. A court hearing will be held where the minor must prove they meet all legal requirements. If the court grants emancipation, the minor gains many adult rights and responsibilities. This includes the ability to enter contracts, make medical decisions, and control their own earnings. From a family law perspective, emancipation legally ends parental rights and duties over the minor. This means the minor is treated as an adult for most legal purposes. However, certain restrictions still apply, such as mandatory schooling until a certain age and limitations on activities like voting or alcohol consumption. In summary, courts look for a combination of age, independent living, financial self-sufficiency, maturity, and the minor's best interests before granting emancipation. Understanding these criteria can help minors and their families navigate the emancipation process effectively.